guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope all of you guys are able to see and hear me properly. And again, a very good evening. If you guys all can, hear me and see me properly, drop me a quick yes in the chat box. Come on, guys. A quick yes in the chat box, everybody. Quick yes. Can you all see and hear me properly? Yes or no? Yes or no? That is amazing, guys. So again, welcome back to this amazing sprint session that we are going to be learning right today. And if you guys have already seen the thumbnail, you know for what chapter we'll be discussing or what chapter we will be doing right today. So today's class is all about conservation of plants and animals. What's up? Hi Anita, hi Sarada, hi All Gaming, hi Pavan. Hi. Big hi to every one of you. Call up all of your friends because today's class is going to get very interesting. Now, this is one of the easiest chapters you guys have. One of the very simplest, wonderful chapters which we'll be completing in less than 20 minutes. Just like this. Very simple. Come on, everyone. Hi, Ayushman. Hi, Soumya. Great. Alright, guys. So, let's go with the sprint series. And you all know we'll be starting off with an amazing dose of motivation which looks black. Don't worry. So guys, let's talk about the mind map. Let's see what are all the different things that we'll be looking at in this chapter. First of all, this chapter mainly talks about the plants and the animals and how do we conserve them. Right, guys? We already know that the forests are one of the very amazing natural resource that we all have. It's a natural treasure, right? And what is happening to the forests? Why is it happening? How do we conserve it? This is what is entirely there in this chapter, guys. So very simple. Okay, we also have a VQuiz by the end of this class. Make sure that you guys attempt that VQuiz also after finishing this so that you get to know how much you guys know or how much you have learned after this class. Okay? Yes. मेंटी होगा क्या? मेंटी नहीं है बट लेकिन VQuiz है. ठीक है? Hi Varun, what's up? Hi Rishi Gamer. When is class 7th, guys? Again this week it's gonna come up. Okay, I'll tell you by the end of this class. Don't worry. Okay, chalo. We'll start off with forest, guys. We all know that forests are decreasing day by day. Now the main reason for it is deforestation, right? And we will talk about what is afforestation, what is reforestation. We will see what is endangered species, what is red data book, how to conserve it, and animal welfare. All of it is what we'll see in the class today. Okay, first, let's talk about deforestation and its causes. Why is deforestation happening? One, under a causes also there is man-made cause, there is also natural causes. Man-made causes are the one, for example, rapid urbanization. We're building, houses, we're building stadiums, we're building amusement parks, everything, wherein we chop down every tree. So rapid urbanization is one reason. Now, second reason is using the wood, right? Using timber, right? Third one, more population. Yes, because there are a lot of people. When there are more population, more people, they need a lot of area to live. So they are clearing out all the forests. That is also one of the man-made causes of deforestation. Right? What else? Quickly, what else? Basic needs. Okay, we take a lot of wood from the forest, be it for making furniture, for a lot of things. Right? For paper. Exactly. So all of these are some of the man-made causes of deforestation. Now let's come to natural. You might all think, but sir, natural causes, how can nature itself cause deforestation? It happens. Any idea what it is? Any idea? Floods. Very good. We'll have floods. We have earthquakes. We have forest fires. Okay. All the natural calamities causes, deforestation. What else? So all the cyclones, exactly. Forest fires. So all of these are some of the natural causes of deforestation. Very good. Now let's come to the consequences. So because we are doing this, what is happening? Because deforestation is happening, what is happening? What are the consequences of it? Very first consequence is climate change, right? Because as the number of trees decrease, The earth becomes warmer and warmer. Global warming is happening. Exactly, right? Global warming happens. That is basically climate change. What else? Soil erosion happens. Yes, guys. When there are no trees around, trees are the ones which hold the soil together. When it rains, what happens? All the rain will just wash away all the soil. Soil erosion happens. Desertification is something that happens. What is desertification? Slowly all the vegetation, all the soil is gone. Once all the soil is gone, what happens after that? No plants will grow. If there are no plants, and obviously that place will look very dry, just like desert. Right? That will happen. Next, what else? Even the groundwater level decreases because forests are natural absorber of water. When forests are not there, then nobody is there to even absorb that water into the ground. So groundwater level also decreases. So these are all the consequences of the deforestation that happens. Yeah. Hey Deepika, hello. Yes, very good. Yes, groundwater also goes low. Correct. Correct. Now let's talk about the next one. How do we conserve this forest and wildlife? What is conservation, first of all? Conservation is how do we protect them? How do we save them? That is conservation, right? Now for saving forests and wildlife, we have three amazing things. One is your wildlife sanctuary. Next is your national parks. And what else? Wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves. These are the three things which aims to conserve the forest and wildlife. All the three you have here. First, let's talk about biosphere reserves. Right? How many of you guys have seen National Geographic or Animal Planet, where the people will, with cameras, they go into the forest, they will talk to the tribal people. Have you guys seen? Have you guys seen those documentaries? Yes, you have seen it. Do you guys like it? I love it. You know, seeing them going with the tribal people, eating with them, talking to them, all of that. Such kind of activities happen in the biosphere reserve. Now guys, biosphere reserve is a huge area. Very huge. Very, very huge. Okay, it conserves everything inside it. Okay, unlimited human activities allowed. People are living there. Also tribal people. So biosphere reserve not just conserves the wildlife and forest, it also conserves the tribal people living in those areas. Is there a VQuiz? There is VQuiz. Yes, yes. Okay, that is all about biosphere reserves. Now sometimes biosphere reserve is so huge that wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are inside biosphere reserves. How crazy is that, right? It is very huge. Then let's talk about flora and fauna. What is flora? What is fauna? Flora means the plants. Fauna means the animals. Okay, so all the plants are called as flora. All the animals are called as fauna. Got it? Yes. Endemic species. A very wonderful term. I'll give you an example. Humans are endemic to Earth. What does that mean? What does that mean? So endemic species means these are the species that belongs only to a particular area. They only belong there. What is species? Species is a group of interbreeding animals. For example, humans are a species. Dogs are a species. Parrots are a species. Monkeys are a species. Right? So these are all a group of animals, interbreeding animals. Those are species. Now endemic species means what? Now these are the animals which belong to only a certain area. They only belong to a very, very certain area. These are the animals that belong to a certain area. For examples, can you guys give me examples? Animals that you can only find in one place. Examples, come on. You guys are all very active today, very good. African lions, African elephants, only find it in Africa. What else? What else? What else? Flying squirrel, okay. What about kangaroo? Kangaroo belongs to where, guys? Kangaroos belong to where? Let's see who gives the answer. Kangaroo belongs to where? Polar bears are endemic. Yes, they are endemic to the North Pole. Huh. Kerala. Kangaroos are there in Kerala. Huh? Australia, no. Exactly. Kangaroos are present in Australia. What about a difficult one? What about kiwi? Kiwi. The bird, the flightless bird kiwi. Kiwi is endemic to where? You only find kiwis in one place in the world. Only in one place in the world. Tell me where? Where? Right? New Zealand? Exactly. Alright? Exactly. So kiwis are only found. So these are all animals which belong to a certain place. You will not find them anywhere else. So these are called as endemic species. So what happens in wildlife sanctuaries is, in wildlife sanctuary, they protect this wildlife in its own area. They protect the wildlife in its own area. It conserves the forest and wildlife in its own area. Alright, so it's a protected land. Hunting and poaching is not allowed. Limited human activity is allowed. Okay, got it? Now, let's go to the next one. National parks. National parks are highly protected, guys. Highly protected. Like people cannot go inside without prior permissions. Alright, so national parks also conserve the wildlife, the forest, and any idea? And any of the artifacts, ancient artifacts, be it cave paintings, be it all of it, it protects all of it. Alright, Kaziranga National Park, very good. Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. Inside Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, we have Pachmari Wildlife Sanctuary, and also Satpura National Park. Heard of it? Yes, Satpura National Park. Good, good, good. Now let's talk about Red Data Book. Now Red Data Book is a book which keeps record of all the endangered species of animals. That's your Red Data Book. Okay. Which is maintained by IUCN, International Union of Conservation of Nature. Got it? Then migration and recycling of paper, we'll talk about it. So let's go forward, guys. So look at this, everybody. We had a very quick go through of everything. Now let's go according to the slides. The deforestation causes our pollution level of the earth. It's increasing. Okay. Then we have increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, correct? Because of increase in the carbon dioxide, global warming is happening. Yes. Groundwater level is decreasing. That's exactly what we saw. Then decrease in rainfall. Yes. Disturbance in the balance of nature. Water cycle also will not work properly. Then decrease in the fertility of the soil. Increase in the chances of natural calamities. Floods might happen, droughts might happen, all of that. Okay, see, these are all the consequences. Drought, floods, air pollution, water cycle is disturbed, everything. How do we conserve it? Using sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, national parks. Great. Then biological diversity or biodiversity means what? Everything that is included. The animals, the plants, and the place where they live in, and their interrelation between them is together termed as biodiversity. So we have to conserve everything. We have to conserve the biodiversity. Not just plants, not just animals, the area where they live in and how they are related, the interrelationship between them. Everything has to be conserved. That's called as biodiversity or biological diversity. Got it? Yes. Great. Now Sundarbans is one more. We have Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve in Karnataka. We have so many such things in India. Okay. Now flora and fauna. Look at this. Sal, which is a plant. Flora. We have corals, sunflower, jamun, teak, mango. All of these are floras. Faunas we have hyenas, a black buck. We have a gyr lion. Right. So many animals we have. Now let's come to different terms. Endemic species, we are cleared. Now let's talk about endangered species. What are endangered species? Endangered species are the ones whose numbers are decreasing. We have to take care of them. Because if you don't take care of them, they are going to vanish from the earth. So we'll have to protect it. That is endangered species whose numbers are declining. Then next is critically endangered. Oh my god, what is critically endangered? Their numbers are countable. Their numbers are countable. We should take like necessary, very important measures has to be taken. Those are all critically endangered species. Any examples of critically endangered species, guys? Any examples? Critically endangered. Tell me. Orangutan is critically endangered. Hawksbill turtle is critically endangered. These are all some of the critically endangered species. Then comes extinct species. What are extinct? Extinct are khatam. They are not there anymore. Examples of extinct species, tell me quickly. Example of extinct species, quick. Dodo, very well. What else? What else? Dinosaurs are extinct. Okay, what else? What else? There are many, guys, come on. That's all, no idea. Woolly mammoth, saber-toothed tigers, okay. Yeah, there's one more, Tasmanian tiger. Okay, check. You can go through about it. They are also extinct. Okay, now what is Red Data Book? As I told you, Red Data Book keeps list of all the endangered plants and animals. It just keeps record of endangered species of plants and animals of a particular area. Okay, yes. Now let's go for some subjective questions, guys. Once we complete the subjective questions, we can go for the week quiz. Are you all ready? Shall we go forward? Yes, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Critical means like numbers are countable. There are only a couple of them alive. Critical, very, very important. I told you what is ecosystem, right? The plants, the animals, the place where they live in and how they are interrelated to each other, everything together. Alright. What are endangered animals? Here is the answer. The animals whose numbers are diminishing or reducing to such a level that they may become extinct. Those are called as endangered animals, just like we learned. Very good. Next. Mention the causes of deforestation. We saw many. We saw man-made causes, natural causes. Which under natural causes, we saw forest fire. Under man-made, we saw building house, factories. Right? These are all causes. Using wood for some purpose, human encroachment, and procuring the land for cultivation. All of these are some of the causes of deforestation. Exactly what we saw. How does deforestation lead to frequent floods and droughts? When trees are not there, they reduce the water holding capacity of the soil. So, water is not going inside the soil. No infiltration is happening. All the water just flows. So, floods will happen. On the other hand, deforestation also increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, causing global warming. So, again, scarcity of trees disturbs the water cycle. There might not be any rains, so droughts also can happen. Yeah? Yes? Exactly. Next, explain how deforestation is associated with global warming. Plants are called as the lungs of the planet. Why, guys? Why? Sharda, I'll come to it, beta. Don't spam. The plants are called as the lungs of the planet because they take all the carbon dioxide, use it for photosynthesis and release oxygen. So they keep the level of carbon dioxide less. But since we are all cutting down the plants, what will happen? The level of carbon dioxide will increase. Now carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. It traps the sunlight. So if there is more carbon dioxide, more trapping of sunlight. If there is more trapping, global warming. Yes, exactly. What do you mean by biosphere reserve? Biosphere reserve is a large area protected land for conservation of wildlife, plants, animal resources, traditional life of tribals, everybody in that area. Okay? Great. What are rare species? Give examples. Rare species are uncommon. You can't find them anywhere. Right? Basically, critically endangered species are also called as rare species. So we'll have to conserve them so that they don't become extinct. Example, wild buffaloes, Bengal fox, gaur, marbled cat, all of this. Got it? But sulfur dioxide causes acid rain. Okay, it comes under pollution. Got it? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide comes under acid rain. Long type answers. How can we protect wildlife? Wildlife plays an important role in maintaining the balance in the environment, and they can be protected by establishing secured and protected areas. What are those protected areas? Biosphere reserves, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, etc. Okay? Yes, I'll ask you a question, guys. What is the difference between hunting and poaching? If you know the answers, in the comment section. Okay? Hunting and poaching. Alright. Now, why is conservation of biodiversity important? Because it boosts tourism, plays an important role in the economy. The countries get money if tourists come, right? Maintains the fertility of the soil. It helps in maintaining the ecological balance. There is a balance between everything. It's a rich source for studying genetics and evolution. It also maintains the weather, all of it. What is one Mahotsav? Who started it and when? And I'm sorry guys, this question is wrong here. Okay, next question. For centuries, human activities such as hunting, encroachment have led to degradation of forests and extinction of many species of plants and animals. Government of India has taken many steps to conserve the forests and wildlife, but this movement will not be a success without the involvement of all of us. First, what products are obtained from forests and wildlife? Okay. How can you help in conserving forests and wildlife? Okay. Can you name some organizations which are working against killing or poaching of animals? What values of humans are shown towards nature? First, from forest wood we get furniture, medicines, forage for livestock, gums, raisins, paper. From wildlife we get horn, skin, leather, fur, ivory, meat, etc. By saying no to animal products, we can at least reduce the number of hunting happening. People will stop hunting, right guys? VQuiz कब होगा इसके बाद. Okay? Now, Worldwide Fund for Nature, WWF, or International Fund for Animal Welfare, or World Society for the Protection of Animals, they are the organizations working towards poaching, to stop poaching. Okay? Now, let's go for the VQuiz, guys. Are you all ready? Finally, VQuiz. Where to find the link for the VQuiz? Guys, all you have to do is go right below the video. There is a link right here. Click on this link and you will be able to play. Everybody, come on. Click on this link and join the VQuiz right away. Let's go, come on. Or you can go to www.vquiz.in, enter the code 228048. Quick, come on guys, everyone, quick. I'm waiting for everyone to join. Let's go. Come on guys. The link is right below the video. Hi Shaurya, yes, welcome. Yes, or you can go to www. I'll show you. See, just copy this. Let's go to Google. Okay, now type vquiz.in. They will ask for a code. What is the code? 228048. That's the code. Submit. Done. You will have to log in. Once you log in, you will be able to join the quiz. Come on, everyone. Let's go, quick guys. Ready? Yes, yes. So hunting is, in many countries, hunting is legal. People hunt. The government gives permission for people to hunt. So hunting is legal, whereas poaching is illegal. Okay, that's the main difference. We'll start, guys. Come on, quick. Let's go, come on. Shall we start? Quick, guys, quick. Hi, Omer. Hello. Okay. 30 more seconds and we'll start. 30 more seconds. Here's your first question on the screen. Let's go, guys. 9 questions. Let's do it. The clearing of forest is referred as what? Reforestation, desertification, deforestation, sanitation. Clearing of forest is referred to as dash. Come on, let's go. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Come on. Quick. Time up. And the answer is option C, that is deforestation. Deforestation means basically cutting down the trees. Good job. Leaderboard, guys. We have purple student, we have Pari, Alice, Omer, Kaira, Shivansh, Ankit and Niraj. Great. Next question, guys. Deforestation leads to what? An increase in the temperature of the earth, imbalance of O2 and CO2, increase in rainfall, both A and B. Deforestation leads to what? Quick. Option D, both A and B. That's the right answer, guys. Very good. Pari, Omer, Alice, Kaira, purple student, Pur, Jaya Vamshi, Tarj, Ankit and Manya. Great job, guys. You guys have all done very well. Congratulations. Now comes the next question. Let's go. An increase in the amount of carbon dioxide results in what? So if carbon dioxide increases, what happens? Tell me. Time's up. Option B, global warming. Very good job, guys. So carbon dioxide level increases, that means greenhouse effect will happen more. So enhanced greenhouse effect is called as global warming. We have Pari, we have Omer, Alice, Kaira, purple student, Pur, Tarj, Ankit, Manya and Ram. Question number 4 on your screen. The reduction in rainfall could cause what? Droughts, cold, greenery, none of this. If rainfall is not there, what will happen? Tell me. Simple, guys. Simple question. Come on. Time up. Option A is the right answer, guys. Droughts. Droughts is the right answer. Great job. Leaderboard. Yes, too much rain, floods. No rains, drought. Pari, Omer Hashmi, Alice, Kairapur, Taj, Purple Student, Ankit, Manya, and Rishi. Question number 5 on your screen. Let's go. Let's go. The removal of top layer of soil leads to what? Desertification, rainfall, snowfall, deforestation. What happens? Come on, guys. Come on, simple. Time up. It's option A, that is desertification. That's the right answer. Leaderboard. We have Pari, Omer Hashmi, Alais, Pur, Taj, Purple Student, Ankit, Kaira, Manya, and Jayavamshi. Great. Question number 6. Name the sphere that supports life where living organisms exist. Atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, none of these. What a difficult question, guys. What a difficult question. Quick. Yes. I think it is atmosphere, no? Biosphere, guys. Very well done. That's the right answer. And the leaderboard, we have Pari, Omer, Alice, Taj, Ankit, Purple, Kaira, Pur, Manya, and Rishi. Question number 7. Last 3 questions. Come on. Name the areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. Sanctuary, biodiversity, places, beach. Name the areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. Where are they protected? Simple, guys. Time up. It's option A, that is sanctuary. That's the right answer. Leaderboard. We have Omer, Hasmi, Alais, Taj, Pari, Ankit, Purple, Pur, Kaira, Rishi, and Manya. 8th question on your screen. Come on. Large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plants, and animals. Resources, traditional life of tribal living in the area are referred to as what? Biosphere reserve, sanctuaries, national parks, all of this. Very simple. Come on. Alright, time up. It is definitely biosphere reserves, guys. These are the large areas which are protected. Very well done. We have Omer, Taj, Ankit, Pari, Purple, Alais, Kaira, Pur, Manan, and Rishi. One last question, guys. Let's go. The plants found in particular area are termed as what? Flora, fauna, species, all of the above. The plants found in particular area. Come on, tell me. What are the plants found in particular area termed as? We have Ankit and then we have Taj. Great job, you guys have all done very well. Others, if your name is not there, do not worry, because it's all about learning and fun. So amazing, guys. Good job. Alright, guys. So do not forget to make sure that you guys subscribe, share, and like this video. Also share this with all of your friends. And I'll meet you guys all in the next class. So until then, let me tell you when is the next class. Once Alright, so the next class is going to be tomorrow, guys, for grade 7 physical and chemical changes. Then Wednesday we have for grade 6 air around us. Okay, So make sure you guys all join in. I'll be waiting for all of you. So until then, guys, this is me Mohan signing off. All of you take care, stay safe, stay as lovely as always, you guys are. Bye bye.